C is a procedural programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Laboratories of AT&T Labs. It was created as a system programming language to write the Unix operating system, marking a significant milestone in computing history. The C language is known for its general purpose and portable nature, low-level memory access, fast speed, and clean syntax. These features make it ideal for system programming, such as developing operating systems or compilers. Its efficiency and versatility have made it a staple in programming education. Learning C is beneficial because many modern languages, like Java, PHP, and JavaScript, have borrowed its syntax and features. C++ is nearly a superset of C. Mastering C provides a strong foundation for understanding modern programming languages and the underlying architecture of operating systems, including pointers and memory management. For beginners, mastering C alongside essential data structures is crucial. The C programming course online with data structures offers a comprehensive guide from basics to advanced topics. By learning C, individuals gain valuable skills that facilitate learning other programming languages and understanding system-level concepts.